Hello friends, Dr. Rita here, MD Homeopathy, practicing homeopathy classically in Mumbai since last 12 years. Postulating the theory of arsenic alb 30, its efficacy in preventing COVID-19. Firstly, I would like to say that it is a preventive medicine, not a immune booster. In homeopathy, if you want to boost your immunity, you need to give your complete history to a classical homeopath, and a right remedy chosen individually for your constitution can only boost your immunity, not the specifics which have been postulated. Secondly, arsenic alb 30 has a specific sphere of action on respiratory system. Also, its duration of action is 2 months. So what I postulate is, when a person given arsenic alb 30, we cannot give mother tincture because arsenic alb is highly poisonous drug. So given in lower potency, that is 30, it may trigger production of certain kind of antibodies in human system, which we haven't yet seen or measured in blood. So what we can do is, after sufficiently giving 4 doses to an individual arsenic alb 30, we can do its antibody antigen reaction in the blood, and this can postulate that preventive against it is preventive against COVID-19. So when a person is given arsenic alb 30, its blood produces a reaction, its immune system produces a reaction by producing antibodies against such kind of infections, viral infections, and that's why do not allow the disease to be infected. I do presume that drugs which have sphere of action on respiratory system will work well as preventive medications against this viral infection. But drugs given in lower potency only, because they will be acting like vaccinations by producing antibodies against the disease. These These medicinal actions have to be verified by conducting research on investigations of blood serum levels of every individual which has been given medicines in lower doses. I do not postulate giving medications in higher potencies because higher potencies need more of mental symptom similarity to be given. Lower potencies can produce symptoms on physical levels, and this is how arsenic alb 30 would help to produce antibodies against viral infection.